Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hi everyone, and a very warm welcome of all of you to Unacademy YouTube IIT Jam. This is me, your educator Harshita Khurana, once again welcoming you on India's largest platform for IIT Jam. And this time, the session that we have is very special because we have a top scorer of IIT Jam 2021 amongst us. So, first of all, please welcome Sambhav in our session. Thank you so much, Sambhav, for joining in.
Thank
And
you, ma'am. Thank you so much for
uh,
inviting.
I want to congratulate you on achieving this feat. You prepared during the COVID-19 times and you
Thank you.
have achieved a great score in IIT JAM examination. So, congratulations for that. And
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I would like to ask you that how was your reaction when you came to know your score?
React. I was happy when I got to know the score. Then, uh, मतलब तब तक तो ranks नहीं आए थे, so I thought let's not get too much excited and let's wait for the results day. Let's see what happens. And
Okay. But you were happy to know that in this, because we all know that the level of paper this time was way higher than it used to be. So I think you
yes,
must
ma'am.
be happy to know that even in that
Yeah,
you
in
scored well.
yeah, in the analysis video, you only had said that if you are securing 50, 55 plus, then you should expect a good rank. So when I got to know the marks, that I was happy. Yeah.
Oh, that's great to know. You should be happy because it is definitely a great achievement. So, Sambhav, tell us something about yourself. Where do you come from? Where are you doing your BSc from? These things about you.
Okay, so my name is Sambhav Rath. I am right now I'm 20 years old and I'm pursuing my bachelor's in chemistry from Government Autonomous College Rourkela, and I am from Odisha. I think
Okay.
that's it.
या थैंक यू एंड पहले तो देखो सबसे पहला जो एक सभी स्टूडेंट्स का टॉपर से क्वेश्चन रहता है ना कि आपने अपनी प्रिपरेशन कब स्टार्ट की थी, तो हम इसी क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करते हैं बिकॉज पूरे इस सेशन में हम आपका एक्सपीरियंस जानेंगे। तो स्टार्ट इस क्वेश्चन से करते हैं कि व्हेन डिड यू स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन?
I actually I took the plus subscription in February, but seriously जब start किया था तब April हो गया था. Yeah, so I'd say April.
अप्रैल से
April से I started preparing for IIT JAM dedicatedly. Yeah.
डेडिकेटेडली, सो डेडिकेटेड प्रिपरेशन took around 8 to 9 months from your end, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, great. And since the whole examination was online mode, so do you think that you faced any difficulty regarding that online mode of examination, anything, or was it
Mm,
simple for you?
no, it was simple for me, and thanks to an academy mock test for that, because we were I think the mock test had started from June, I
Yeah,
remember,
yeah,
and for those 6 or 7 months, we were very much acquainted with the interface that we were going to face in IIT JAM examination.
yeah.
And no, so online exam was not a very big problem for me, and we were familiar with the interface, so
Yeah, so I think
there was
that
no
that was
problem
the
for me.
biggest plus point, right? Because you were accustomed to the interface, so you did not find, okay, this is
Yeah,
something new. Yeah, you were very pretty familiar. Okay. So,
yeah.
did you prepare from any coaching institute? And so, do you think that really, because ये काफी एक डिबेट का पॉइंट रहता है कि कोचिंग का बेनिफिट होता है या नहीं होता या सेल्फ स्टडी से ही करना चाहिए। सो टेल अस अबाउट द रोल ऑफ कोचिंग दैट यू टुक एंड हाउ डिड इट रियली बेनिफिट यू?
I yes, I did take coaching from Unacademy Plus only, and I didn't refer to anything else. So हाँ, coachings का कुछ important role रहता है. I'm not saying nobody can clear the examination without taking coaching,
Yeah.
but coachings give you structured material. Right now, nowadays, a lot of online platforms are there, just like Unacademy. Even
Yeah.
on YouTube, also a lot of channels are there who are providing content for free of cost. So
Right.
I don't think there is any difficulty in getting the content, but
Hmm.
in that structured way to what is there in IIT Jam syllabus and how you have to prepare for it. So in these fields, in these topics, coaching play a very important role. And in coaching, we have you all. I mean, we have the ex rankers of this examination only. We have you, Harshita ma'am. We have Anil sir. We have Srishti Batra ma'am.
Yeah.
These you all are ex rankers of this IIT JAM examination. So that is a plus point for to learn from you all how you have prepared, how you went through that process. So coachings play a very important role in these things.
That is
Yeah.
great to know that you have mentioned some of my colleagues and me, and thank you so much, because it's the students like you who are motivated. You actually inspire us, to give our best in the classes. And I would also like to ask you that since you were a plus subscriber and you prepare completely on an academy for the examination, so can you elaborate a little more on how to make the best use of the प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन दैट यू गॉट? ओके, उसके बारे में कुछ आप बता इलैबोरेट करो तो इट वुड बी वेरी गुड.
Um, yeah, sure. Plus, first of all, before buying Plus subscription, one who's just going for the Plus subscription must know कि वो मतलब क्यों ले रहा है प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन. इसीलिए अनअकैडमी स्पेशल क्लासेस एंड वो फ्री कोर्सेज ये सब प्रोवाइड करते हैं.
राइट.
एंड उसी को ही देखकर कोई प्लस सब्सक्राइब करता है.
राइट.
So so if you really want to crack IIT JAM, then um, you should go for a plus subscription, and then you should choose 2 3 educators or whatever suits you, not more than 2 or 3,
Yeah.
because in that case you will get jumbled between a lot of courses and a lot of structured materials. So it's good to follow 1 or 2 educators properly, and uske baad just follow them, and read some good books, follow their instructions, and that's it. That and Also there are a lot of mock tests available on Unacademy, which uh, helps you to evaluate how your preparation is going, and what you should do and what you should not do in your exam, etc. These all things, and you should focus on these things while buying or while using your plus subscription. Okay.
Exactly, because I personally feel, being a mentor on the platform, that if you follow your teachers generously, and if you follow, dedicatedly आप उनको follow करो, और साथ के साथ जो हम लोग quizzes की form में आपको tests देते हैं, and you have mock tests on the platform. You mentioned a very very important point, that there are mock tests on the platform, and you started giving those mock tests from June itself. जबकि आई थिंक एक टिपिकल
Yeah,
स्टूडेंट
from the very beginning.
मेंटालिटी, दैट्स ऑसम, बिकॉज अ टिपिकल स्टूडेंट मेंटालिटी जो रहती है वो होती है कि हम दिसंबर से स्टार्ट करेंगे या नवंबर से स्टार्ट करेंगे मॉक टेस्ट देना, राइट, व्हेन वी कंप्लीट सो कॉल्ड, हम जब सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. बट इट वाज, आई थिंक, रियली गुड ऑन योर पार्ट, and that we started the tests in June, and you started appearing in those tests in a very
Yes.
disciplined way. So that really helped you out, because end में आते आते आपको NAT और MSQ से बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगा. You knew what are NATs, how to approach them. You knew what are MCQs and how to approach them, right?
Yes, and what questions are to be attempted and what questions are not to be attempted,
Exactly.
and time management, etc. These all things we learn from those mock tests only.
Exactly, that's beautiful, because as a teacher, this is, I think, the best that we expect from students, right? कि आप लोग properly follow करो, mock test दो, सीखो कि क्या attempt, because as you said कि content is available all over YouTube, all over different platforms.
Yeah.
कंटेंट की कमी नहीं है अभी जो
Hmm.
प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन का सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज है कि हम कंटेंट के साथ साथ स्ट्रक्चर और मेंटर करते हैं कि हाँ, दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू एंड दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू अवॉइड, राइट? So that is great that
Yeah.
whatever we said in the sessions, you followed that very generously, and this has actually given you your dedication, and our mentorship probably has given you the right outcome that was always desired. So somehow, as you mentioned, special classes, and so along with special classes, we do have a lot of revision series which are there in, the month of December and January, that are basically revision sessions, that quickly answer karna or quickly sab kuch revise karna. So how do you think that those courses or those sessions helped you in your preparation?
Yes, ma'am. There were few batches when in the last 2 3 months,
Hmm.
revision batches, and on in plus also, and in special platforms also, that some series were launched, and yes, that those series of classes helped me a lot, because uh, revision is more important than just learning the things
Hmm.
in the last month. So yes, those series of lectures actually helped me to see how much do I remember and how much I can implement in solving those questions that I've learned before.
Right.
So yes,
We were
special classes and
self
those.
evaluating, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So आप अपने
तो
आप को evaluate कर रहे थे उस समय में.
हाँ, तो जो पोल्स कंडक्ट होते हैं, जो क्विजेस चलती है, इवन कोर्स के एंड में भी हमारे वीकली टेस्ट्स एंड कोर्स के एंड में सब रहते हैं टेस्ट्स. सो दोज actually help you to evaluate yourself at what position you are standing in a crowd of IIT JAM aspirants.
Right. Exactly. Self, as I always say, self, before comparing yourself with anyone, it is very important to evaluate yourself कि आपने कितना
Yeah,
पढ़ा है, राइट, और आपको कितना याद रह रहा है. और सेकंड स्टेप होता है उसके बाद अपने आप को थोड़ा सा देखना कि वेयर डू यू स्टैंड इन द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर ऑल प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द सेम एग्जामिनेशन, right? So
yes,
as you said that during all of those sessions, the revision series which were being conducted, the revision classes were being conducted, you were evaluating yourself कि आप अभी इस टाइम पर कहाँ स्टैंड कर रहे हो,
yes,
कहाँ पर आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट की नीड है, राइट. एंड जैसे हम लोग हमेशा कहते
yes,
हैं कि मेक नोट्स ऑफ दोज थिंग्स जहां पर आपको अभी इम्प्रूवमेंट की नीड है, सो दैट यू कैन devote special time to that. So did you do any such activity during your preparation?
yes, ma'am. I did. I learned from my mistakes. I remember those ACE IIT JAM series was launched by you. You were solving those practice questions, and some previous year question solution was there. Was the series from was there from your side, and those actually helped me a lot. And I evaluated myself where I am lagging and where I cannot solve those questions. What do I need to do? I mean, in these terms, the educators are very much helpful towards us. And I remember I was in constant touch with you and Srishti Batra ma'am, and you both of you guided me a lot to uh, how to just take my preparation ahead. And yes,
That's awesome. That's awesome because everything, we try to experiment a lot. We try to begin new series, right? Some PYQ series are there, some tough question series are there. A lot of different series keep coming up throughout the year, and that is actually an experiment कि what are, the students find, students को क्या अच्छा लग रहा है और students को किससे सबसे ज्यादा फायदा हो रहा है. तो ऐसा
yes,
नहीं है कि
and
हमने कोई फिक्स फॉर्मेट कर दिया है, राइट.
yeah, and I would like to mention one more thing, that some students are there who just run after questions, and I mean, they solve a lot of questions from different एग्जाम्स, डिफरेंट स्टेजेस, एंड
Yeah.
जो कोई भी क्वेश्चन मिला उठा लिया, नेट का या गेट का, कहीं का भी. So
Right.
that shouldn't be done.
Hmm.
That wastes a lot of time, where in these classes questions are refined for us, that these questions are actually from IIT JAM series, IIT JAM level, and these questions you need to solve, these questions you don't need to solve. That is more important, and that we got from the educators.
Yeah.
So that's where it helps us a lot. Helps us a lot.
Exactly, because as I always say, कि there is a sea of content available right now, and you need to pick the right
Yeah,
things out from the sea, right? कि आपके लिए कितना required है आप जैम लेवल पर, because काफी सारे जैम के टॉपिक्स नेट और गेट से ओवरलैप होते हैं, राइट? तो you need to know कि कितना आपको जैम के लिए पढ़ना है, so that you don't waste a lot of your time, right? Doing things which
yes,
are
ma'am.
not really necessary at BSc level, right? So I think right from the
Yes,
start
ma'am.
सभी एडुकेटर्स इस चीज पे बहुत ज्यादा फोकस रखते हैं कि हम लोगों को कितना पढ़ना है और क्या अवॉइड करना है पढ़ना, बिकॉज सो दैट यू डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम ऑन अननेसेसरी थिंग्स, है ना? बहुत इट इट
Yes, ma'am.
फील्स गुड दैट यू लिसन टू दोस थिंग्स एंड यू rightly implemented and you got the result. So that is very nice. And since there are a lot of aspirants watching us right now, I would like to ask एक बड़ा common question रहता है कि what are the books that you followed during your preparation? Because no matter how well do I or any other educator teach, books are, as I always say, are always the supreme, right? So you must have
Yes.
taken the help of books during your preparation. So let us know which all books you referred during your preparation journey.
Yes, ma'am. Just like you said, the authentic literature is, the supremest, and
Right,
none of the lectures can just go beyond that.
right.
So yes, for physical chemistry, I had Principles of Physical Chemistry by Purishama Pathania. That book is a really good book, and the examples from that, the numericals from that, I solved all of them, and some chapters from a textbook of physical chemistry by K.L. Kapoor.
Okay,
I referred these two books for physical chemistry.
okay,
For inorganic chemistry, the coaching notes were fine. The notes provided by the lectures from an academy class, those were sufficient for me. And in addition, I followed one book. It's Concise Inorganic Chemistry by J.D. Lee for main group elements.
okay,
And for organic chemistry, I must say, no matter from where you take coaching from, or no matter from where you learn, you must follow this book, Claydon,
right,
Organic Chemistry by Claydon.
right,
If you look at the previous year questions of last 2 3 years, there are numerous direct questions from Claydon, and if you're really looking forward to crack IIT Jam with a very good rank, you should not avoid Claydon.
right.
For basics of organic chemistry, I should say Morrison Boyd is fine. I refer to Morrison Boyd before preparing for IIT Jam. That's why my basics in organic chemistry was a little strong. Then I directly followed Claydon. Also, not all the chapters from Claydon, just some specific chapters which are mentioned in our syllabus.
Yeah.
And yes, these are all the books I used to follow. So
Okay.
Claydon is important for organic chemistry in IIT Jam.
Okay. Yeah. So I think that I always say this one thing, and there are a lot of educators who say this thing that specifically, as you mentioned, for organic chemistry, it is one of the topics which I think a lot of students find very very difficult, right? Because there are no
Yeah.
direct things, right? You need to be very very strong in with concepts if you want to solve questions of organic chemistry. So no matter
Yes.
what, no matter who's your teacher or educator, I think specifically for organic chemistry, you need to refer to a good book, and I think Claydon does the job really, really well. So, and
Yeah.
in fact, the other books that you mentioned, so I want all the IIT JAM students to please take a note of this books, as this is a very highly asked question, and by knowing Sambhav's response, you can actually, you can actually shorten your list of books, because otherwise what happens is that whenever you see a YouTube video or list of books, everyone is saying 7 to 8 books, right? But it's not possible for any person to read 7 to 8 books during the preparation journey, right? 7 to 8
Yes,
books
ma'am.
of, they mentioned 4 or 5 books of physical, 4 or 5 books of इनऑर्गेनिक, है ना? इस तरह से हमें जनरली जब भी हम बात करते हैं तो ऐसे रिस्पॉन्सेज मिलते हैं. सो संभव हैज टोल्ड वेरी precisely कि the books that he followed, so you can actually shorten your list, and even if you follow these books, that is sufficient for your IIT jam preparation, right?
Yes, ma'am. And also, I would like to add one thing. Book reading is a good habit. I'm not saying anything against that. Book reading is a good habit, but
Yeah.
if you read a lot of books and if you gather content from them,
Hmm.
at the end of your preparation, when you're in like the month of December or January, you'll
Hmm.
have a lot to revise, and that
Right.
becomes a very difficult task to revise all the things from those books.
Right.
So, reading the good books and learning the concept
Hmm.
and making good notes,
Right.
all these three things take a major part in preparation for IT Jam. So,
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Because books are always awesome. Book reading is never, I mean, कभी हम ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि कभी आपने कोई बुक पढ़ी और उसका कभी ना कभी आपकी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ फायदा होता है, बट हमें जब
yes,
जैम के लिए प्रिपेयर करना होता है तो हमें ये भी पता रहना चाहिए कि हमें सिलेबस पूरा करना है, उसको रिवाइज भी करना है, क्योंकि वी हैव अ लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम टू डू एवरीथिंग, राइट? सो it's very
yeah,
important that we focus on specific books and read them again and again, make good notes from them, and then revise them, rather than
yeah,
searching in a lot of books and then having nothing in the end, right? So
yeah,
very important to be focused on one or two or three books and just make the right notes from them and revise those notes, because in the end, in the month of December and January, you don't feel like reading, you just feel like revising, so you need to have a good
yeah,
content for revising. So that's great. So it's a very good advice for all the IIT jam aspirants that you focus on one, two, or a maximum of three books and make your notes from there and revise those notes, rather than searching, or rather than reading n number of books and retaining nothing, right? So
yeah.
that's great. That's a great piece of advice for all the IIT jam aspirants. Now there is one thing which we all face, right, during the preparation, especially this year when you were not able to meet your friends due to the whole COVID
Mm.
thing and everything. So a lot of times even I used to get messages from students कि मैम बहुत ज़्यादा stress हो जाता है पढ़ते हुए, समझ में नहीं आता है कि क्या करें. So there must have been ways by which you have encountered, because I think this situation is faced by one or the other student at some point of time in their preparation, right? आपने भी face किया
Yes.
होगा कि कभी stressful feel हो रहा है, and you must have done something to de-stress yourself, right? So tell us about that as well.
Um, I don't have any fancy ways of getting de-stressed, but
Okay.
it's a simple way. I just work out whenever I feel stressed or even I feel sad. I just go for a jog or I just go for a run or something. I do some physical activities. It doesn't make me happy, I should say, but
Hmm.
when that sweat comes off my body, I feel that I at least I'm doing something. At least I'm pushing myself towards something.
Yeah.
So that is a way of getting de-stressed for me.
Great, great. That's awesome. That's actually that is something that I would like to advise all the learners, right? All the people who are watching us right now. So, and that's awesome, Samba. And I would like to ask a question that everyone has, some ideal or inspiration in their life, right? So, I would like to ask you, who is your biggest ideal or biggest inspiration in life? And we will also like to know the reason behind it.
Okay, so I I can't name one person in my life who has inspired me a lot. There are a lot of people, but I can say the biggest person whom I got motivation from
Hmm.
is my father.
Great.
There is one line in Three Idiots, if you remember. Don't run after success, run after excellence, and success will run after you.
Yeah.
So he also always used to say this thing in his own version that keep working until and unless you're not satisfied with yourself. जिस
Yeah.
दिन अपने अपने आप से satisfy हो जाओ आप, उस दिन it doesn't matter at what position you are.
Right.
And that is a very big important piece of advice that I got from him. And right now he's not present with me, but still whenever I feel low, I just keep remembering his words inside my mind, and that gives me motivation. So
That's beautiful to know. That's beautiful to know. बहुत अच्छा लगा ये जान के that you consider your father as your biggest source of motivation, and may
Yeah.
you always continue, to get inspiration from him, and may you always continue to inspire others like the way you are inspiring others right now. So I always wish for that. Okay,
Yes,
so
I can.
वैसे तो you have told in parts and bits that what are the reasons that you actually got this stupendous score in the IIT JAM examination. But specifically talking, what do you think are the main factors which contributed, to this awesome score? So what are the main factors, do you think?
Um, I I would say consistency. I From the beginning when I started preparing for IIT JAM, there was no day that I just missed my preparation. Even it was some event or even it was some other thing going on in our home.
Hmm.
I just didn't miss any class or just did not um, what do you say
Hmm.
uh, waste a whole day.
Okay.
Um, I had a diary gifted by my friends.
Hmm.
Every day morning when I woke up, I just noted something on that I have to do these things in this day. I have to do this in this day. So
Hmm.
before going to bed, I made sure that those things are completed.
Okay, great.
Be it making notes or be it attending some tests or be it um, attending a number of questions from this book or this book.
Hmm.
So I just made that and followed that, and following the educators completely. That's also a big important thing that we need to follow.
Hmm.
And yes, those are the things. Those are the major things I followed. I think that gave me the results.
Okay,
So
so all in all, there is one thing that I can definitely say, that you were quite disciplined during your preparation, right? So this, this
yes, I was.
consistency requires a discipline from your end, that you're so one more thing, Sambhav, that आपके जनरली वैसे तो एट दिस पॉइंट थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है फ्यूचर प्लान्स के बारे में, मैं खुद भी बता सकती हूँ इसको, बट कुछ ना कुछ आपने जरूर सोचा होगा अपने फ्यूचर के लिए, दैट दिस इज समथिंग आई वांट टू डू. सो इफ यू डोंट माइंड, आप कैन यू शेयर दैट विद अस, दैट व्हाट आर योर future plans on achieving this great score, after achieving this great
Uh,
score?
yeah, sure. I am looking forward to making a career in teaching only.
Okay.
I like teaching, and previously also I was teaching some students. That was a another situation, but from that thing, I just developed this thing inside my mind that I have to do teaching in my life at some point or any other.
Okay.
And yes, I want to go in this teaching field, but
Oh,
without
hmm.
going into research. I don't have much interest in research, but
Okay.
I want to go for teaching.
Okay,
So
you want to go for teaching. That's great. It's a noble profession. I will always say that if someone asks me that I want to, I will always say, okay, just go into teaching. It's a great profession. I am into it, and I really love it. And those who love it, they
yeah.
actually, I mean, this is. I am not comparing it with any other profession, but the kind of satisfaction that you get after teaching is
Hmm.
incomparable to any other thing that you do. It's very
Yes.
precious. It's very precious, and
Yeah.
that's great. So which colleges are you so since you have got a good score, so which colleges are you specifically targeting? I know that final things will depend on the merit list that will come out, but there must be some colleges in your mind. Okay, I want to go to this college. So what are the colleges which you are targeting?
For like 2 3 years, for the past 2 3 years, I've always picturized IIT Delhi as my dream college.
Okay.
And at some point in my life, if I get a chance, I want to go to that college for studying.
Okay.
So yeah, IIT Delhi is
Okay, so
my
you,
dream college.
I really really wish that you get to go into IIT Delhi with the kind of rank that you have achieved. I really wish that for you. and
Thank you.
I hope this comes true. I hope your dream comes true. And then there is, so I would like to conclude this session, not really conclude, I am really enjoying talking with you, but so now you are an inspiration to, as I said earlier as well, so you are an inspiration to so many learners across the country right now who are aiming to get a very good score in IIT Jam. So what is your message to your juniors who are right now in the process of preparation for IIT Jam? So tell me, what do you want to convey to your juniors through the platform that we are having right now?
Thank you, ma'am. That's a quite huge compliment from me. And I would say uh, just follow some good books first and just read some good books. As I said, there's no need to read a lot of books and gather a lot of content. Just read some good books and first be sure about your syllabus, note down the topics, and study those chapters or those specific topics from some good books, be
Yeah,
it the books anyone tells you, or be it the books that you've been following from some time. So just uh, gather some good content, make notes out of it. Making notes is important. You can't rely on books for a very long time.
right,
I mean, book reading is good, but making the taking out the extract is important.
right.
And if you are taking coaching, then follow your educators. If
Hmm.
you are not taking coaching, then also it is fine, but just be very specific with your syllabus,
Hmm.
and revise those notes regularly. And in the last 2 months, giving tests is very important,
Hmm.
because tests get you an experience, a real time experience of the exam,
Right,
and you get to learn a lot of things, which questions are to be attempted, and what to attempt first, what to attempt in the end,
right.
and such things are there. You develop a strategy inside your mind. I mean, yes, there are a lot of strategies available on various platforms that you should do this, you should do that, but
Yeah,
ultimately, what you plan inside your own mind actually helps you during the exam or throughout the process. So, giving tests is very important, and that's it. Follow good books,
hmm.
make notes, revise them properly, and attempt tests. And try not to repeat those mistakes that you're
Right,
doing in the tests.
exactly. And I think that's the biggest benefit of giving tests, that you get to identify your mistakes, and then you should make a note of them and not repeat them once again, right?
Yes.
So that is, thank you so much for all of these advice and messages for your juniors who are now on the same on the same on the same, what I would say, preparation journey as you were an year before. So thank
Yeah.
you so, yeah.
And if you are already preparing on Unacademy, if you are in touch of these educators, I would say you're already in good hands. You're already in a good pathway to your goal.
Hmm.
So just follow them properly, and that's it. That can give you good results.
That's a great compliment for all of us educators at An Academy. Thank you so much, Sambhav.